For the hard times, I need
Another video. This is the grand finale.
We
This is the last firework.
We ready? Cajun family, put your cups in the air.
It's not just Cajuns, it's bells.
For July 4th, annual Cajun family.
Run that back one more time. It's not just Cajuns here though.
For the Cajun family reunion.
Copy. Bell
Every year,
family.
July 4th.
All family.
We want to thank Herbie and Marie for this beautiful hospitality
Sit down.
and this beautiful house and this scenery. These shots is for Herb and the Cajun family.
And bells.
Salute!
We are also late.
Oh my God. My camera fell. I'm going
Now, ladies and gentlemen,
recording.
Fireworks.
hopefully it pleases you.
Like,
Quarantine. Guidelines.
my name is for YouTube
At
channel.
this point, I am pleased already.
Light it.
Okay. Okay, but what happened if it does?
You gotta record for a YouTube channel, Ryan.
Bro, what up?
You gotta
bro,
upload
what
2
happened
videos
if
in one day, bro. Like YouTubers be doing. Exactly. This is gonna be good.
Bro, just like guava juice.
Yeah, just like Walker.
Hidden Hills Drive. We run this drive.
This guy video looking like parkour, bro.
Who, the Ryan?
Yes, I jumped over that. Bro, I hope it's not.
Ryan, you know I took a big bullet for you. Just want to throw that out there. Camera probably didn't get it because you're probably running. That thing
Guys,
caught me on my upper shoulder.
this is the final finale. The final finale.
Right here.
And it is.
Alright.
This is the title of it.
Ah.
It is
Storm surge.
It is Storm Surge. Bro, I need to get away though.
Keep coming.
I need to get away. I don't want to get shot in my leg again. What happens if I die this time?
You're not. You're.
Storm surge!
The storm surge, and there's water and lightning on it.
115
Take the video, man.
fireworks! Oh, you kidding
This
me?
is storm,
How many shots?
They don't got enough cops to stop this
and
thing
you
from
know
going off.
how many shots?
500
I think we're gonna die today. 100,
Guidelines.
115 shots.
Guidelines.
It's going to
Just
be
play
a
fireworks
good
1, 2,
thing,
3.
Guidelines.
and also guidelines.
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 I need to run. Go up to the balcony. Bro, what happened if it comes back at us?
It's not.
Okay. This is the grand finale. I'm going back here. You know?
Get it, Ryan.
Whoa! That one was good! That was the final finale! Guys! I was gonna say snap out of here, but we need to talk about that stuff. That stuff is good! It's even on fire. Hey, no, I wanted to kick it! No, don't kick that one. I didn't kick it. Bro, it's already done?
No, it's not. Look. Holy fuck.
Play the music. Damn.
The fire starts.
Wait.
we're good.
Okay. That issue was fire. The grand finale! Damn, bro. Ow, it hurts.
Let's go. Go one more time. Gucci bag.
I just made a move.
Alright. There's one more, right?
Okay, that was good. Snap out of here.